हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल। आज आम कंप्यूटर रो टॉप 50 क्वेश्चन देखा जोटा कि विभिन्न एग्जाम रे आसुची एज ए सब्जेक्ट हिसाब रे। तो विलंब करवानी बर्तमान आरंभ करवा। देख फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द टर्म कंप्यूटर इज डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम ऑप्शन ए लैटिन, ऑप्शन बी जर्मन, ऑप्शन सी फ्रेंच, ऑप्शन डी अरबिक। यू हैव टू आंसर व्हिच ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट। The right answer is Latin word ru aschi the term computer. Next question, who is the inventor of difference engine? Option A Alan Turing, option B Charles Babbage, option C Seymour Cray, option D Augusta Adming. You have to answer which option is correct. The right answer is Charles Babbage. Next question, who is the father of computer? Option A Alan Turing, option B Charles Babbage, option C Seymour Cray, option D Augusta Adaming. You have to answer which one is correct. The right answer is Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage is the father of computer. Next question, टुरिंग से होती कंप्यूटर साइंस रो जनक। किछि क्वेश्चन रे ए डबल एल ई एन न लिखा हुई ए एल ए एन भी लिखाई पारे, तेणु ऑप्शन को जज करी आपण आंसर दे देबे। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु इज द फादर ऑफ पर्सनल कंप्यूटर? ऑप्शन ए एडवर्ड रॉबर्ट, ऑप्शन बी एलन ट्यूरिंग, ऑप्शन सी चार्ल्स बेबेज, ऑप्शन डी नन ऑफ दीज। यू हैव टू आंसर व्हिच वन इज करेक्ट। द राइट आंसर इज एडवर्ड रॉबर्ट। Next question, CPU contains option A card reader and a printing device, option B an analytical engine and a control unit, option C a control unit and an arithmetic logic unit, option D an arithmetic logic unit and a card reader. Which one is correct? You have to answer. Control unit and an arithmetic logic unit. Next question, which of the following controls the process of interaction between the users and the operating system? Option A user interface, option B language translator, option C platform, and option D screensaver. You have to answer which option is correct, and the correct answer is user interface, option A. Next question, programmed using. Question number 8, the first computers were programmed using option A assembly language, option B machine language, option C source code, option D object code. You have to answer which one is correct, and the right answer is machine language. Next question, question 9, dash is a combination of hardware and software that facilitates the sharing of information between computing device. Option A network, option B peripheral, option C expansion board, option D digital device. You have to answer which one is correct. The right answer is network. Next questions, question number 10, coded entries which are used to gain access to a computer system are called. Option A entry codes, option B passwords, option C security commands, and option D code words. You have to answer which one is correct. The correct answer is passwords. Next questions, which of the following statement is true? Option A mini computer works faster than microcomputer, option B microcomputer works faster than mini computer, option C speed of the both computers is the same, and option D the speed of the both these computer cannot be compared with the speed of advance. Which option is correct? You have to answer. The right answer is mini computer works faster than microcomputer. Next question, question number 12 is, you organize files by storing them in option A archives, option B folders, option C indexes, and option D lists. You have to answer which one is correct, and correct answer is folders. Next question, Question number 13. What type of resource is most likely to be shared common resource in a computer network? Option A, printers. Option B, speakers. Option C, floppy disk and drives. Option D, keyboards. You have to answer which one is correct. The correct answer is printers. Next question. Question number 14. Which device is required for the internet connection? Option A, joystick. Option B, modem. Option C, CD drive. Option D, NIC card. You have to answer which one is correct. The correct answer is modem. Next question. Question number 15. What is a light fan? Option A mechanical input device. Option B, optical input device. Option C, electronic input device. And last option, optical output device. You have to answer which option is correct. The correct answer is optical input device. Next question. Question number 16. UNIVAC is means UNIVAC stands for dash. Option A, universal automatic computer. Option B, universal array computer. Option C, unique automatic computer. And option D, unvaluated automatic computer. You have to answer which option is correct. Universal automatic computer is right answer. Next question. Question number 17. CD-ROM stands for option A, compactable read-only memory. Option B, compact data read-only memory. Option C, compactable disk read-only memory. And option D, compactable disk read-only memory. You have to answer which one is correct. The correct answer is compactable read-only memory. Option A. Next question. Question number 18. ALU is. ALU stands for option A, arithmetic logic unit. Option B, array logic unit. Option C, application logic unit. And option D, last option, none of the above. You have to answer which one is correct. The correct answer is arithmetic logic unit. CPU ro gote part. Next question. Question number 19. VGA is. VGA stands for option A, video graphics array. Option B, visual graphics array. Option C, volatile graphics array. And last option, video graphics adapter. You have to answer which one is correct. Correct answer is video graphics array. Next question. Question number 20. IBM 1401 is option A, first generation computer. Option B, second generation computer. Option C, third generation computer. Option D, fourth generation computer. You have to answer which one is correct. The correct answer is second generation computer. Next question. Question number 21. MSI stands for option A, medium scale integrated circuits. Option B, medium system integrated circuits. Option C, medium scale intelligent circuit. And option D, medium system intelligent circuit. You have to answer which one is correct. The correct answer is medium scale integrated circuits. Next question. Question number 22. The capacity of 3.5 inch floppy disk is option A, 1.40 MB. Option B, 1.44 GB. Option C, 1.40 GB. Option D, last option is 1.44 MB. You have to answer which one is correct. The correct answer is 1.44 MB. Next question. Question number 23. WAN stands for option A, WAP area network. Option B, wide area network. Option C, wide array net. And last option, wireless area network. You have to answer which one is correct option. The correct answer is wide area network. Next question. Question number 24. MICR stands for option A, magnetic ink character reader. Option B, magnetic ink code reader. Option C, magnetic ink caches reader. Option D, last option is none. You have to answer which one is correct. The correct answer is magnetic ink character reader. Next question. Question number 25. EBCDIC stands for option A, extended binary coded decimal interchange code. Option B, extended bit code decimal interchange code. Option C, extended bit cache decimal interchange code. And last option is extended binary cache decimal interchange code. You have to answer which option is correct. The correct answer is extended binary coded decimal interchange code. Next question. Question number 26. Which of the following is a part of the central processing unit? Option A, printer. Option B, keyboard. Option C, mouse. Option D, last option is arithmetic and logic unit. You have to answer which option is correct. The correct answer is arithmetic, logic and unit. Next question. Question number 27. CAD stands for option A, computer aided design. Option B, computer algorithm for design. Option C, computer application in design, and last option is computer analog design. You have to answer which option is correct. The correct answer is computer aided design. Next question. Question number 28. Junk email is also called as option A, spam. Option B, spoof. Option C, sniffer script. Option D, spool. You have to answer which option is correct. The correct answer is spam. Next question. Question number 29. Hackers. Option A, all have the same motive. Option B, break into other people's computers. Option C, may legally break into computers as long as they do not do any damage. Option D, are people who are allergic to computers. You have to answer which option is correct. The correct answer is break into other people's computers. Next question. Question number 30. What type of computers are client computers in a client server system? Option A, mainframe. Option B, mini computer. Option C, microcomputer. And option D, PDA. You have to answer which option is correct. The correct answer is microcomputer. Next question. Question number 31. A computer cannot boot if it does not have the option A, compiler. Option B, loader. Option C, operating system. Option D, assembler. You have to answer which option is correct. The correct answer is operating system. Next question. Question number 32. The amount of vertical space between the lines of text in a document is called option A, double space. Option B, line spacing. Option C, single space. And last option is vertical spacing. You have to answer which option is correct. The correct answer is line spacing. Next question. Question number 33. Example of non-numeric data is option A, employee address. Option B, examination score. Option C, bank balance. Option D, all of the above. You have to answer which option is correct. The correct answer is employee address. Next question. Question number 34. What is embedded system? Option A, the program which arrives by being warped in box. Option B, the program which is permanent part of the computer. Option C, the computer which is the part of a big computer. Option D, the computer and software system that control the machine. You have to answer which option is correct. The correct answer is the computer and software system that control the machine. Next question. Question number 35. First page of website is termed as option A, home page. Option B, index. Option C, JavaScript. Option D, bookmark. You have to answer which option is correct. The correct answer is home page. Next question. Question number 36. Dash is the appearance of typed characters. Option A, size. Option B, format. Option C, point. And last option is color. You have to answer which option is correct. The correct answer is format. Option B. Next question. Question number 37. When a file is saved for the first time. Option A, copy is automatically printed. Option B, it must be given a name to identify it. Option C, it does not need a name. Option D, it only need a name if it is not going to be printed. You have to answer which option is correct. Correct answer is it must be given a name to identify it. Next question. Question number 38. Office lands which are scattered geographically on large scale can be connected by the use of corporate. Option A can, option B LAN, option D DAN, option D 1. Which option is correct? You have to answer. The correct answer is 1. Wide area network. Next question. Question number 39. Where the data and program stored when the processor uses them? Option A main memory, option B secondary memory, option C disk memory, and option D is program memory. You have to answer which option is correct. The correct answer is main memory. Next question. Question number 40. Dash represents raw facts, whereas dash is data made meaningful. Option A information reporting, option B data information, option C information bits, option D records bytes. Actually आम रोटा को डाटा बोली कही थाउ आ से डाटा जितेबाला मीनिंगफुल हुए आम ताकू इनफॉरमेशन बोली कही थाउ तेणु राइट आंसर इज डाटा इनफॉरमेशन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 41. व्हाट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स of read-only memory makes it useful? Option A ROM information can be easily updated. Option B data in ROM is non-volatile, that is it remains there even without electrical power. Next, option C is ROM provides very large amount of inexpensive data storage. And last option is ROM chips are easily swapped between different brands of computer. You have to answer which option is correct. Correct answer is data in ROM is non-volatile, that is it remains there even without electrical power. Question number 42. What do you call the programs that are used to find out possible faults and their causes? Option A operating system extensions, option B cookies, option C diagnostic software, and option D book diskettes. You have to find out which option is correct. The correct answer is diagnostic software. Next question. Question number 43. Which programming languages are classified as low-level languages? Option A Basic, COBOL, and Fortran. Next, option B Prolog, option C C++, and option D assembly languages. You have to answer which option is correct. The correct answer is assembly languages. Next question. Question number 44. Which of the following is not antivirus software? Option A NAV, option B FPROT, option C Oracle, option D MCAFE. You have to answer which option is correct. Question is which of the following is not antiviruses? The correct answer is Oracle. Next question. Question number 46. What does DMA stand for? Option A distinct memory access, option B direct memory access, option C direct modulo access, option D direct memory allocation. You have to answer which option is correct. The correct answer is direct memory access. Next question. Question number 47. Which of the following is a storage device? Option A tape, option B hard disk, option C floppy disk, option D all of the above. Question is that which of the following is a storage device? Here is all are the storage device, so option D is the correct answer, all of the above. Next question. Question number 48. When did John Napier develop logarithm? Option A 1416, option B 1614, option C 1641, and last option is 1804. You have to answer which option is correct. 114. Next question. Question number 49. A normal CD-ROM usually can store up to dash data. Option A 680 KB. Option B 680 bytes. Option C 680 MB. And option D is 680 GB. You have to answer which option is correct. The correct answer is 680 MB. Next question. Question number 50. MIS is designed to provide information needed for effective decision making by. जो MIS डिजाइन होती से जो इनफॉरमेशनटा प्रोवाइड करिवो इफेक्टिव डिसीजन मेकिंग किए करिवो कहा पाई एटा. ऑप्शन ए कंज्यूमर, ऑप्शन बी वर्कर, ऑप्शन सी फोरमैन एंड लास्ट ऑप्शन इज मैनेजर. यू हैव टू आंसर व्हिच ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट. द करेक्ट आंसर इज मैनेजर्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 52. BCD is option A binary coded decimal, option B bit coded decimal, option C binary coded digit, option D last option is bit coded digit. You have to answer which option is correct. The correct answer is binary coded decimal. Next question. Question number 53. ASCII stands for. Option A American Stable Code for International Interchange. Next option B American Standard Case for Institutional Interchange. Next option C American Standard Code for Information Interchange. And last option is American Standard Code for Interchange Information. You have to answer which option is correct. The correct answer is C American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Thanks for watching. Till wait for upcoming next video. Take care.